So now let's see how we can trigger cycle behavior inside of Adobe Character Animator. So in order to trigger cycle behavior, first of all, I'm going to go around onto the cycle file right here, which I imported. And over here, I have a layer and I have 4 sub-layers, as you can see, just like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around and cycle through these layers one by one so that it seems as if the circle is turning into a square and the square is turning into a circle. So to do that, I'm going to go towards behavior and then I'm going to add in cycle layers. So once I do that, you can see that by default, it's set to start when triggered. So I'm just going to go around and add in a trigger right here. So I'm just going to go around and press C. And now once I go to record and bring in the cycle puppet, let's see what happens. If I were to press C, you can see that it quickly plays through the layers just like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go towards cycle and then I'm going to, let's say, decrease the timing. So I'm just going to go for, let's say, advanced every 2 frames right there. And then I'm going to go around and then the order will be bottom to top right here, just like this. So once I go into record now and press C, you can see that it turns from circle to square, just like that. Now let me just go on to the rig section again. And now what I want is I want continuous cycle. So if I were to go over here and press C right here, now I'll be getting a continuous cycle once I do that. So this is going to be continuously right here. So if I were to go over here and keep on holding it, so if I were to keep on holding it, you can see that the cycle is continuous. So what I also want is I want forward and reverse, just like that. So you can also hold on last layer if you can and so forth. So you have different options that you can try forward. But if I were to go over here and press C, now you can see that it circles through the just circles through the frames right there as long as I hold it. I can also turn this into a latch, so I can just go over here, press C once and it's playing out, press C again to stop it. So this is how you can do a frame by frame animation by using the cycle layer behavior inside of Adobe Character Animator. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.